the Conrail truck. See? Conrail's alive and well. It's a beautiful April day. I think it's like April 23rd, 22nd, something like that. I don't know. CA-11 northbound, milepost 9, coming off the Penns Grove secondary. That one's seen better days. Not too many clouds in the sky today. I like it. A lot of propane. Couple greenies. You don't see many of those green and white tankers. Look at that thing. It's got all the rust up at the top. And the bottom's pretty clean, except for graffiti. Almost makes me think it was repainted at one time. Wow, that's cool. Ooh, I don't know quite what it said, but that was pretty cool. Man, the sun is bright. Conrail dude's in my spot. I wanted to go over there today. $10.86. I don't know. It's an upside down R. Is that Metro upside down? I think Metro goes the upside down R. That's it. Not that big of a train. Over and out. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you watching.